Hey, we're going to do a taste test video of these real plant-based recipes. So we got mini crab cakes, and they got the omegas, probably via algae oil. We got the fishless fillets. They're pretty good. I've had them before. Dr. Prager's, we don't have that right now, but then we have the Trader Joe's chicken, so the smallest, most abused animals. So fish and birds, or sea life and birds. So let's see what we got here. We got the fishless fish fillet. Very good. I've had some that were better. Vegan fish. One was wrapped in seaweed. It was an Asian style. They're out in the store. These are good. I'll give that an 8.5 out of 10. Next, the Trader Joe's chicken strips recipe. Pretty good. Pretty good. Give these about 9. Very good. Decent ingredients, especially the Dr. Prager's I had last night. They're pretty good. But don't expect a meat taste to them. So now we got the crab cakes. Dip it in some aioli sauce that's vegan, accidentally. I've never had real crab before. Pretty good, pretty fluffy on the inside. Not bad. I like the tuna fish more that I got online. Tuna. But I would give these about 7.5 to an 8. Pretty good. I just can't compare them because I never had crab before, but they're pretty good. So, there's my taste test. Look up a factory farm video. Real plant-based recipes. Fish farms are sick, as well as massive super trawler nets. Birds are some of the most abused animals, small animals, by the billions, as well as sea life. So there you have it. Super trawler nets and sick fish farms. And then we have birds and factory farms. Even the egg industry is one of the cruelest. So share if you care. Yum yum.